Hey guys, my name is AJ Altizer over here at Hilton Honda. Today I'm going to show you how to use your adaptive cruise control. First thing we're going to do is we're going to hit this main button on our steering wheel. When you hit the main button, two lights will come on, the ACC and the LKAS. The ACC is your adaptive cruise control. To engage that adaptive cruise control, you're going to have to get to a speed which you want to cruise at. So when you get to say 55 miles per hour, you'll hit set button here on your steering wheel. When you hit the set button, your car will maintain that speed at 55 miles an hour, and say that there's a car ahead of you going a certain speed. You can then hit the adaptive cruise control button and stay within 4, 3, 2, or 1 car lengths away. When the car in front of you brakes, your car will then brake. It will come all the way to a complete stop. If you guys have any questions, like I said, my name is AJ Altizer. Come to Hilton Honda and see me.